when Canon announced the EOS R5 and EOS R6, introducing finally IBIS and causing a very big amount of confusion on how optical image stabilization from EF lenses will work with in-body image stabilization. Do AF lenses with image stabilization work with IBIS? By googling it, we fall into a rabbit hole of forums with no clear answer, and asking it on Facebook groups doesn't help that much. Yes. Well, yes, it depends. It depends on your type of lens and the type of shakiness. If you want to know how I found this information, very simple. I went to Google, I write down site, 2 points, the Canon website, space, IBIS. After a very long boring reading, I found this marvelous board, but I can make it better.
Something very interesting is that RAW only has in-body IS. That means there is no optical way of improving this axis.
And Canon says that IBIS will be even better on wide-angle lens. So, following the graphic here, the wide-angle side to the telephoto side, there is no numbers here, so I have no idea of what they are referring to, but okay. This is the amount of stabilization effect, so the higher the better. And here is the sensor shift. I imagine that sensor shift is IBIS. The sensor shift, it's really good effect, okay, on wide-angle lens, and it's less effective on telephoto lens. Following that logic, the optical only, it's not that great on wide-angle lens. It's really great on telephoto lens. But what we can see, mixing both of these techniques together, you have cooperative IBIS combined with image stabilization will be way better than IS or IBIS individually. Yeah, there you go. The Canon AF lens is divided in two image stabilization, the optical and hybrid. Well, that's it. And then there is the type of vibration, the old X and Y from math, and the pitch, yaw and roll, that it sounds from airplane science, and it is. If you count them down, you will have 5 directions of shakiness possibilities, okay? Before I nerd out on this IBIS thing, I have to explain what the stop benefit of stabilization is, okay? So in general, handheld, a non-IS lens needs its focal length number in millimeters divided by the second of shutter speed to have a sharp image in theory. So if I use this lens at 7 millimeters, I need at least 1/70 of shutter speed to have a sharp image. But if I use this lens that it has an image stabilization benefit of 4 stops, I can theoretically at 7 millimeters have a shutter speed of 1/4 of a second. If you are photographing like an idiot, this concept doesn't apply to you, okay? So let's do some science! This AF lens 70-100 millimeters has no image stabilization on it, but it can benefit from IBIS. But in this case, I have to go to the menu and shut down the IBIS. And I got 1/30 of shutter speed instead of 1/70 of shutter speed. How? Very simple, by having 3 points of contact with my camera, 1, 2, 3, and a good posture, I become what I call MIBIS. Let's turn IBIS, and I got half of a second of shutter speed in around 70% of my shots, okay? It was a windy day. Other lens that I have and don't have image stabilization is this Laowa 15 millimeters. In fact, it has no electronics on it, but I can use IBIS as well. Well then, to benefit the IBIS on this lens that has no way of communication with the camera, you need to set it up on the menu. So let's go to menu here on Canon, go to shoot 7, okay? Immediately the first option is that, let's select that, IS mode on, okay? Let's go then here to focal length. This is a 15 millimeters lens, so let's select here 15, okay, and there you go. You have IBIS on this 15 millimeters lens. mounting my 24-70mm that has image stabilization of 4 stops of benefit, the IBIS will work as well with it. But the off options disappears on the menu. That is because the IBIS and IS are linked together. To shut down, the stabilization is directly on the lens itself. They work together, not individually, okay? Following the table, the pitch and yaw are stabilized by the lens. X and Y is stabilized by the lens. On photo mode and on video mode, the IBIS will take that role, okay? The result test, on photo I got a half a second of shutter speed on 100% of the shot. Now this RF lens, the 24-240mm, when connected to the camera, informs that the shaky hand has a plus, and this plus is referring to the hyper mega stabilization of 6.5 stops of benefit. Very impressive, but how? By checking the table, we see that the magic is on the pitch and yaw and the coordinated control. This magic wonder in some lenses can go up to 8 stops of benefit. And there you go, guys. So if you learned something, please drop a like on a comment. If you learned something, please drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I am Miguel, until next time, see ya! Now, all the information I got on this video is linked down below, so you can check out by yourselves, okay?